Hello, zamni sajo khansa shuwe chuka sumgi Philippines yongla chamdi tashi dile shuwe yi nyingi yendo sinsin nange changma kusu diwo yingiri
खाना को उन्होंने रखा हुआ मैं नहीं ले सकती थी मतलब माय फिजिकल
Tash dele tsangwa lo nye ming tashi tunrubi ta tharingi video de pe khechumbu yada ta insangi mindra traveling che go yana China trip chinge thona di video de pe khechumbu des.
Hello, sharaji Philippines chama lulia de nyendon shiyo namatso yabujin siroshi nyeja tashi tundula dalau sile shungi imba gyaga gi pasike yuwachi andus kanal chingche kuna ya zesum majes chishira kuna ya thamzi do mangmushtan sha adane shi nyeja Arunachal gi phomojik dusya Shanghai gyuni to Beijing gyuni to duga nemra adus kana gi yage immigration gi kangete and the gi nyendon shi shamla siro na shwe ro adi inji thone ma dus kyursha yo kuran su gi ta phyogi gyarwa ani gya phomodi ga jing nyendon sama khasini si yugre ani phönal dinge digel kange khaju shimbu yumedi ani ngaju nyendon dizu gyuni ha ku resum gudwa ngaju sharaji Philippines sama gyana doja chigdi chigwa da ma ba phyogi dinda se chidur chale nang wedi khechimbu shujik chagi yuwadi ani nyendon dinejik siwaina ani semla testing ma da ma shayon samsan do tu ani lulu siro na shwei
WL come to Larden 77 YouTube channel narrating a true incident of person who suffer at Shanghai airport recently. Tashi Dhondap who face emotional torture and harassment by China immigration officers at Shanghai International Airport despite have all valid documents to travel China. He said, Tashi Delik, my name is Tashi Dhondap. If love traveling here is important MSG to you all. This video is very special for Tibetans who possess Indian passport and love traveling. I love traveling. I tour around 10 countries and this is the 11th country I am traveling as a vlogger. I have valid tourist visa of China Chinese. Hotel booking, return ticket and excited to tour whole China country and when I land in Shanghai airport on 1st December 2025 and when I arrived at immigration center they look at him for few minutes. Stop him and ask where are you from. After thinking for 5 minutes they call 3 police and escort him to a empty room. Took off his clothes and all belongings. Check cameras, mobile and ask why you visit China. Where did you born? Do you have relatives in China Tibet? They checked his mobile's MSGS. Pictures and contact and asked all picture one by one who are they. He told my wife and my children and they ask about all contact in his mobile thoroughly. They ask him do what is the reason to visit China. He told I love traveling around and I love to travel China and want to travel many countries as it is my hobbies. That asked do you have any connection with Dharamshala authorities. They checked his whole body shoes and socks. They order not to touch his mobiles later. Why you came to make vlog in China? Their camera is on and watching me and order him stay at one place. They even check his all IDs and social media IDs. He was afraid because they are suspecting him. He was thirsty and asked water. They gave small glass of water splashing sweat symbol. He was literally confiscated like criminals and asking questions very roughly. Order him not to move and stand in. Let him stay in one place for 3 hours and after 4 hours again he asked water. They say no. He requested to find the solution and asked them the reason of stop and harassing. He also requested about his connecting flight airplane which is going to miss. They told him not to worry. Again asking about connection with Tibetan government, Dhasa, he said nothing, it just tour to explore China. At last he request if you don't found any reason to stop me and don't want me to tour China then please send me back to India. I birth in India Dalhousie Himachal Pradesh. Send me back to India. I have no problem if I am not allowed to tour China. After waiting 5 hours he asked why you all not allow me to move and treating me like this. At last they told your document procedure is not valid and accurate. So he asked send me back to India but no flight at that time. He was treated like criminal and felt victim not even allow him to book room and rest on his own expense. At last he pay $400 for flight to Bangkok, and they escort him till he board flight like criminal. He says one of the worst experiences in life while traveling. So dear Tibetans, who ever travel to China, be careful.